Hello, good day, sister.
Good day, sir. How you doing, sir?
Yeah, I like that smile. Hold the smile will give me answer.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, please, what's the name?
Christabel.
Okay, Christabel. One simple question, please, on camera, okay? Now, if your man give you 5,000 naira to prepare soup, can you use 5,000 to prepare any soup? 5,000 naira.
Actually, I can use it to prepare stew or soup. Anyone the guy wants, is that stew or soup? Like, I can still use it to cook ogbono soup.
With 5,000 naira, can a lot of girls use 5,000 naira to cook soup?
Actually, not all the ladies that can do that.
Okay, out of 100, how many can do it?
Let me say 80%.
80% can do it with 5,000 naira.
And no, not 80% can do with the 5,000 naira to cook the soup.
How many percent can do it?
Let me say maybe like 10%, sure.
10 out of 100 that can use 5,000. Tell us how you're going to use 5,000 to cook soup.
Okay, just to maintain the way to buy the things, like I can use it to make okra or ogbono soup. I'm going to get my protein should be beef. The beef will be maybe 2,000 naira, or yeah, let me say 2,000 naira is okay for the beef.
Okay.
And let me say 2,000 naira. My ogbono will be 500 naira.
That's 2.5.
That's 2.5. My red oil, let me say the red oil will be 500.
That's 3,000 naira.
And what else again am I buying? My Maggi should be like 200 naira.
That's 2.7. That's
3.2. Yeah. What else again am I buying? Let me say pala fish, like 500 naira is fine,
okay,
is okay.
3.7.
Okay, let me say, okay, if I should, I've already had the ogbono, Abi?
Yeah.
Have I had the ogbono? Okay, yes, I've had the ogbono. And what else again am I buying? What else again?
So actually, friend, please on YouTube and your comment section, make your comment. She has only used 3,700 naira. She still have 1,003. What else you want to buy?
Yes, maybe garisha.
That means with 3,700 naira, our sister here can prepare ogbono soup.
Stockfish. I can now remember I'm going to buy stockfish. I'm going to buy stockfish. I'm going to buy pala fish and pomotu. So let me say it for the remaining one two. I'll manage it to buy stockfish and pomo. That's all.
For me to be serious, in reality, 5,000 I could not do it because the remaining 1,000 to buy stockfish, buy pala, buy pomo.
300 now. There's pomo 500 naira.
Abemela I love her, so she will buy her.
The one who can still buy it now.
All right. Thank you so much. We believe you. We believe you. God bless you. We need more sisters like her that can use 5,000 to cook soup. Hello, good day, sisters.
Good day, sir.
Please, can our friend get
Good day, sir.
What's your name?
I'm Chef Moturayo by name.
Okay. This is good. She said chef. So that is wonderful. The answer we'll get today. Hello, sister. Can we know your name?
My name is Chizoba.
Chizoba. I love that name. Okay. The question we want to ask on a very simple question. Okay. I want my chef answer that. Chef is like a doctor in a particular field of medicine, or a lawyer handling a case. What's the name again?
Chef Moturayo.
Chef Moturayo, please tell our friends across the globe, can 5,000 Nigerian currency prepare quality standard soup?
What did I want to use 5,000 naira to cook? At first, I will buy, if I'm cooking egusi, I will buy egusi, I will buy okporoko, I will buy a lot of things. I will buy crayfish, I will buy pepper, then I will also buy smoked fish. But more will go inside it. The normal protein is not there, maybe like goat meat, beef or fish that the person wants. So how much am I using to buy all those things? Even all those ingredients alone, say 5,000 cannot even buy all those things that I count. Talk more of the protein. Okay,
now, so in a simple question, yes or no, can 5,000 do soup in Nigeria?
No, at all. It's not possible.
Okay, Chizoba, now, sincerely from your Can 5,000? Can you? No, not everybody. You choose about. Can you 5,000 to cook soup? Yes or no?
No, it's not enough. Like my sister said,
Yeah.
chef, what? It's not like 5,000 naira. It's like 500 naira now.
Yes, no.
You can still buy protein, meat, stockfish, egusi, or any other soup that you want to. So it's not.
Okay, what if your guy say, choose about honey, my love, please? How are you? I love you. Just do me this favor. Can you manage 5,000 to do soup?
Unless if I'm going to add my own. But if I'm not adding my own, it can't. It's not
So, friends, the chef herself and Chief Oba say it's not possible. Is it possible? In the comment section, let's see your remark. You are navigating through life challenges. Hello, good day, sister.
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you. Please greet my friend on camera, please. Good day.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, how? Can you tell us your name?
My name is Esther, sir.
Okay, sir. Please, one simple question I want to ask you. Okay. Now, honest, sincere opinion. If your man give you 5,000 naira to prepare soup, either ogbolo soup or egusi soup, 5,000 naira to cook soup for the weekend, you and one of his friends to eat, is it okay?
Ha! Hey, in this how the economy. Azal!
Hello, good day.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, you're beautiful. Can you hope you know your camera?
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask you one straight question. Now, if your man gives you the sum of 5,000 naira to prepare soup for him, can you do it, or is it enough?
I can do it. I can use it and prepare soup.
A lot of people say it's not possible. So please tell her how you want to do it.
Which soup do you want me to prepare?
Okay, let's say a vegetable soup.
Okay, vegetable soup. Yes, I can use 5,000 naira and prepare vegetable soup. So, I'll first buy my ugu, 1,000 naira. Maybe water leaf, 500. Then
That's
oil, 1,000 naira, I think. I'll buy my pomo, 200. Mangi and pepper, 500. Yeah. How much now? Maybe I'll buy my crayfish, 500 too. Maybe the remaining one 5. Maybe I'll use it and buy goat meat. There's goat meat of 500. You like more this cow leg, all this thing. Maybe I'll use it 1,000 naira that is remaining and buy it.
Wait. Vegetable 1,005. Those things are remaining about 1,300 to buy goat meat and command everything, cow leg.
1,500 can buy it. It's not 5,000 to cook vegetable soup.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Please tell our viewers which market you're going to get goat meat and pomo for 1,005. That will be enough to do vegetable. So please let them know the secret. Which market?
Some answer, some question deserve anyhow answer. Which market will you get all these 5,000 naira, all these food stuff for 5,000 naira? You're asking me. Some answer deserve anyhow question.
Friends, I did not should give an any answer. Please, can you do it? 5,000 to prepare a vegetable soup, a egusi soup, any soup. Please, if you can, go to the comment section, make your remark. We'll come to you one day.
Life, you get challenge, my brother. For relationship, health, and business matter. From me to you series, go make your life better.
Find